Eat that thing raw.
I'm think there's a walleye.
I got that
Maybe a couple hundred.
Nice.
Oh man.
About them, man.
Let me get my camera, Trish, and I'll take a picture.
Who caught these fish?
James got that big one.
I did. James got that and I caught these two.
Okay, I forgive you for not coming in at 12.
How many pounds you say that, Dwayne?
You got your little scales in here.
Oh, get them.
No, they's on the boat. Your scales are on the boat.
I couldn't find them. I looked for
I'm
them.
pretty sure they're in the
I think they're in there. Boy, I didn't get them. I caught all three of them.
That and they're full of eggs, it's really going big. It's laid out.
You think that I caught all three of them?
No.
No, I
I did.
I'm pretty sure I saw those scales on the boat yesterday.
Yeah, that's a nice walleye.
Neil, get out of the way.
That's a big walleye.
Wow.
Yeah. Really, I haven't drank that much longer.
So,
You gotta get the camera,
Let me
my
get that
camera
big
out.
one.
Wait a minute, honey.
Trish,
Door, huh?
turn the video
Yeah, I want
off.
this on.
You want this on film?
I want it on mine.
Go ahead.
20 inches.
It's almost 30 inches.
I said,
I'd say it's about 30 inches.
put them up there even. It's close to 30 inches. This one's long, but it ain't big and wide. I bet
That's
you
a
this
big one.
I bet you this one right here is
Take one more
almost 20
picture.
inches, James. I bet you this fish right here, it's over 20.
Oh, just the two I didn't get.
He's gonna,
Come over here, Al.
mount them fish down there one time, hon.
Got 'em.
You're getting her. Go west. Go west.